First, create a new movie. Drag in files from the desktop. Add media by dragging it into the project pane. You can zoom into the project by pressing Command plus or zoom out by pressing Command minus. Add titles by clicking Titles towards the top of the screen. Drag in the desired title. You can lengthen or shorten titles. Double-click the title to edit. Above the preview box is where you can edit the text, including the font, the size, the color, etc. To edit the media, first split the clip. Stop the playhead where you want to edit. Make sure the movie is highlighted with a yellow box. Go to Modify, then Split Clip. Click on the part you want to delete and then press Delete. To add transitions between scenes, click on a transition, then drag into the project pane. You can lengthen transitions by double-clicking it. Choose how many seconds you want the transition to last for, then press Apply or Apply All. To add audio, click on Audio towards the top of the screen. You can drag in files into the project pane. Notice that the files will lock into place. You can also split audio to trim it down the same way you split a video. Audio can be faded to create better transitions. Notice how you can drag the little circle from left to right. You can add titles on top of video in order to give more instruction. You can also copy and paste text. Split the clip you want to fast forward to ensure you don't fast forward all of your media. Currently, this clip is 3 minutes long. Make sure the clip is highlighted in yellow. Go to Modify and then Fast Forward. By fast forwarding this clip 8 times, it's now 22 seconds. This clip was originally 1 minute long. By fast forwarding it 20 times, it's now 3 seconds. This is a great tool to shorten video without losing instruction. When you finish creating your movie, it's time to share. You can choose to upload directly to YouTube. You can also save as a file. At this time, you can change the resolution and quality. You can also change the title and description. We always recommend that you save it to your desktop so it's easy to find. This circle shows the progress of your upload. See how the circle gets filled in? When your upload is complete, iMovie will tell you and show you where it is on your computer.